Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download the Crunchyroll application on your iPhone. To download the Crunchyroll app on your iPhone, first of all, unlock your iPhone and then open up your App Store. Now in the search box, type in Crunchyroll and search. From the search results, look for this Crunchyroll application from Crunchyroll LLC and then tap on the Get button or the Download button. If you've already downloaded it in the past, the button will show as a cloud icon with an arrow. But if you haven't downloaded it before on your device, then you will be able to see the Get button, which you should press on. Once the application download process is completed, tap on Open. And that's how you easily get Crunchyroll application right on your iOS device. You can then go ahead and sign into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one already and browse through the available anime series and start watching. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Crunchyroll tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.